Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. OK, let's dive into troubleshooting Gmail issues on older Android phones, focusing on common causes and practical solutions, including code examples where relevant, though code isn't always the primary fix for Gmail issues. Understanding the problem, Gmail on older Android devices. Older Android phones, running versions like Gingerbread, Ice Cream Sandwich, Jelly Bean, KitKat, or even Lollipop, often encounter problems with Gmail due to a few key factors. Outdated operating system. Android versions get security updates, bug fixes, and compatibility improvements over time. Older versions may lack the necessary APIs or security protocols to communicate reliably with newer Gmail services. Gmail app compatibility. The latest Gmail app versions are designed for newer Android OS versions. Installing the newest Gmail app on an old Android phone can lead to compatibility issues like crashes, syncing problems, or missing features. Google Play Services. Gmail relies heavily on Google Play Services, a background service that provides common APIs and functionality. Older versions of Google Play Services might be outdated or incompatible with the latest Gmail app, causing problems. Resource limitations. Older phones typically have less RAM, slower processors, and limited storage space. This can cause Gmail to run slowly, crash, or fail to sync properly. Account synchronization. Older devices may have trouble syncing efficiently with Google's servers, leading to email delays or missed notifications. Security protocols. Older Android versions may not support the latest encryption and security protocols, making it difficult to establish secure connections with Gmail servers. This is less of a problem now as Google is keen to support secure connections even on older devices. Common error messages and symptoms. You might encounter these types of issues. Gmail has stopped. App crashes. Can't connect to server. Authentication failed. Account not synchronized. No connection. Even with Wi-Fi or mobile data. Emails not sending or receiving. Slow performance, lagging UI. Battery drain. Google account login errors. Unfortunately, Google Play Services has stopped. Troubleshooting steps, a comprehensive guide. Here's a structured approach to fixing Gmail problems on your older Android device. 1. Basic checks and resets. Internet connection. Ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Try browsing the web to confirm your connection is working. A weak signal can cause intermittent issues. Reboot the device. A simple reboot often resolves temporary glitches. Power off your phone completely and then turn it back on. Check date and time. Incorrect date and time settings can interfere with secure connections. Go to your phone's settings and ensure the date, time, and time zone are correct and set to automatic, if available. Clear cache and data for Gmail. 1. Go to Settings Apps, or Application Manager. 2. Find the Gmail app. 3. Tap Storage. 4. Tap Clear Cache and then Clear Data. Warning. Clearing data will remove your Gmail account from the app and delete downloaded emails. You'll need to re-add your account. Clear cache and data for Google Play Services. 1. Go to Settings Apps, or Application Manager. 2. Find Google Play Services. You might need to tap Show System Apps or All Apps to see it. 3. Tap Storage. 4. Tap Clear Cache and then Manage Space, or Clear All Data, and Clear All Data. Asterisk important asterisk clearing Google Play Services data can affect other Google apps and services. It might take a few minutes for everything to resync. Asterisk force stop Gmail and Google Play Services asterisk in the same app settings, tap force stop for both Gmail and Google Play Services. This can help resolve background processes that are causing problems. 2. Account management asterisk asterisk. Asterisk remove and re-add your Google account asterisk. 1. Go to Settings Accounts, or Accounts and Sync. 2. Tap on your Google account. 3. Tap Remove Account. 4. Restart your device. 5. Go back to Settings Accounts and add account. 6. Select Google and follow the prompts to add your account again. Ensure you enter your password correctly. Asterisk check account sync settings asterisk after re-adding your account, go to Settings Accounts Google your account. Make sure Gmail is checked for synchronization. You may also need to enable sync for other services like contacts and calendar if you use them. Asterisk enable background data, if available in settings data usage, ensure that restrict background data is not checked. Also, check that Gmail has background data enabled specifically, if the option is present. This setting can prevent Gmail from syncing when you're not actively using it. Asterisk check for account errors asterisk sometimes, there's a general account error. In Settings Accounts Google your account, look for any error messages or sync issues. Tap on the account and see if there's a Sync Now option to force a manual sync. If you see an error, try removing and re-adding the account as described above. Asterisk check for two-factor authentication asterisk if you enabled 2FA on your Google account, you may need to generate an app-specific password. Log into your Google account on a computer, go to the Security Settings, and find the App Passwords section. Create an app password for Gmail on your Android device and use this password instead of your regular password when setting up your account. 3. App updates and downgrades asterisk asterisk. Asterisk update Gmail, if possible open the Google Play Store app, tap the menu icon, 3 lines, in the top left. Go to My Apps and Games. Check for an update for Gmail. If an update is available, install it. Asterisk update Google Play Services, if possible similarly, check for an update for Google Play Services. Asterisk downgrade Gmail, as a last resort if the latest Gmail version is causing problems, you might try downgrading to an older version. This can be tricky, as the Play Store usually only offers the latest version. 1. Find an older APK asterisk search online for a reliable source, example APK Mirror, to download an older version of the Gmail APK that is compatible with your Android version. Asterisk be extremely cautious when downloading APK files from third-party websites. Only use trusted sources to avoid malware asterisk make sure the APK is for the correct architecture, example ARM, x86, and Android version. 2. Uninstall the current Gmail asterisk go to Settings Apps Gmail and tap Uninstall. 3. Install the older APK asterisk locate the downloaded APK file and tap it to install. You may need to enable install from unknown sources in your phone's security settings, but disable it again afterward for security. Asterisk uninstall updates asterisk if the Gmail app updated recently and the problems started afterwards, it might be worth uninstalling the updates to revert to the version that came pre-installed with the phone. To do this, go to Settings Apps Gmail and tap on Uninstall Updates. 4. Storage space and memory asterisk asterisk. Asterisk free up storage space asterisk Gmail needs sufficient storage space to download emails and attachments. Delete unnecessary files, apps, photos, and videos. Consider moving files to an SD card or cloud storage. Close unused apps. Older phones have limited RAM. Close apps that you're not actively using to free up memory. Use the Recent Apps button, usually a square or overlapping squares, to close apps. Consider a lightweight email client. If Gmail is consistently slow or crashing, try a lightweight email client like K9 Mail or Blue Mail. These apps are designed to be less resource intensive. Disable animations, if possible in developer options, if enabled, or accessibility settings, you might be able to reduce or disable animations to improve performance. 5. Advanced troubleshooting, proceed with caution. Check for root access and custom ROMs. If your phone is rooted or running a custom ROM, the Gmail app might be incompatible. Ensure that the ROM is up to date and compatible with Google Play services. Rooting can sometimes introduce instability. Factory reset. Last resort. A factory reset will erase all data on your phone and restore it to its original factory settings. This should be your last resort as you will lose all your data. 1. Back up your data. Before performing a factory reset, back up your important data, contacts, photos, videos, etc., to a computer, SD card, or cloud storage. 2. Go to Settings, Backup and Reset. Factory Data Reset. 3. Follow the prompts to reset your device. Check if device is certified. You may experience problems with some apps if your Android device is not Google Play certified. To check certification status, open the Play Store app, go to Settings, and look for Device Certification. If the device isn't certified, Google doesn't guarantee that it's secure or compatible with its apps. Code examples, limited applicability. While code isn't usually the direct solution for Gmail issues on older phones, there are a few areas where it might be relevant. Checking network connectivity. You can use Android's Connectivity Manager to check if the device has an internet connection. This helps you determine if the problem is a network issue rather than a Gmail app issue. Checking Google Play Services availability. You can use the Google API Availability class to check if Google Play Services is installed and up to date. Force sync an account programmatically. Although there is no guarantee it will work, you can attempt to trigger a sync of your Gmail account from code. The content resolver.requestSync method can be used. Important notes for code examples. Permissions. Make sure your app has the necessary permissions in the Android manifest.xml file, such as android.permission.internet, android.permission.access_network_state, and android.permission.get_accounts. Account information. Replace Google with the correct account type for Google accounts if needed. The authority google.android.gm is specific to Gmail but may vary based on Android version. Error handling. Add proper error handling, try catch blocks, to your code to catch exceptions and gracefully handle errors. Background tasks. Perform network operations, like checking connectivity or syncing, in background threads, example using async task or intent service, to avoid blocking the main UI thread. For newer Android versions, consider using Work Manager. Security. Be very careful when handling account credentials. Do not store passwords in plain text. Context. You need a valid context object, example an activity or application context, to use these methods. When to consider upgrading hardware. If you've tried all the troubleshooting steps and Gmail is still consistently failing, it might be time to consider upgrading to a newer Android phone. Newer devices have better hardware, more up-to-date operating systems, and are designed to run the latest apps and services smoothly. Summary asterisk. Gmail issues on older Android phones often stem from a combination of outdated software, limited resources, and compatibility problems. By following the troubleshooting steps outlined above, you can address many common problems. Start with the basic checks and resets, then move on to account management, app updates, and storage optimization. Code can assist in diagnosis and attempted workarounds, checking network, prompting account sync, but often isn't a complete fix. If all else fails, a factory reset might be necessary, but remember to back up your data first. And finally, evaluate if it is worth upgrading to newer hardware.